Hello guys, good morning. This is the 3rd of February 2017. That's the Euro Dollar monthly chart. Looking at the Euro Dollar monthly chart, we see price rising off 2016 lows, which also doubles as the 1997 lows. Okay, now price is right now at the intermediate lows of 2003. Of course, that's the exact lows of 2003, but this is called the intermediate low in 2003, which also doubles as the 2016 intermediate lows. Okay, um, moving to the weekly chart so you could get a better look. Yeah, that's the price level that I'm talking about. Now we've been seeing nice price activity happening in and around that zone. The question that arises is if the market will break above this zone, and then we'll see a continuation and the bullish action that we are seeing quite around this area on the euro dollar chart. Okay, a quick one for today. There you go. Just a minute. Chart. Okay, amazing. Yeah. Now, as you can see, that's a nice uh, bullish, sorry, bearish pin bar or a shooting star right around that zone 2006 intermediate lows. Now this is giving us a precursor, a possible pointer that we might see further market activity to the downside, pulling out our fib that happens to be the 88.6% retracement zone. Now, quick one. Now, today happens to be the big day, first Friday of every month, which happens to be the job numbers day. We've seen a lot of clues coming in. ISM manufacturing, sorry, the employment sub index of the ISM manufacturing coming out of 56.1, which is at the 6-month high. Never been this good in a long time. We see the ADP numbers coming in at 246. They're far better than the forecast of 165 and better than the previous of 156. The weekly unemployment claims, the average of the weekly unemployment claims, coming out at an all-time low. Challenger and Gray's job cuts coming out at minus 38.8. All of these are positive signs that we could see a positive job number, strong positive job numbers for this Friday. Nevertheless, on the flip side, it could also be disappointing. Now, nevertheless, that happens to be the region of the intermediate lows for 2006. Also the 88.6, which I spoke about, pulling my fib from here to that point, that's the 127 extension. So we see a lot of activities around that zone, but further buttressing continuation in the downtrend, besides the pin bar we saw on the daily chart. Now, nevertheless, I want to see price gradually trickle back into this zone, yeah, or that zone for a potential trade, sell trade. So I got two zones that I'll be looking out for. This is my major zone where I'll be looking out for a potential sell trade. Uh, and if price pushes out from the zone, then I'll be looking at the next zone, and that should form something like a quasi head and shoulders pattern right there. So job numbers coming in by 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today. So I'll be looking out for that today. Nevertheless, because I expect the market to price in positive job numbers, I'll be looking for an opportunity to sell basically from this zone. That's where I have my highest probability before I look out for that zone, which will be the final point before I expect the market to sell off. So that will be all for the euro dollar. Thank you.